spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing of your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Chase will show you. Wait for your brother, Chasey. He's coming.
He's trying to stay in one spot, kind of, but the brook is pulling him over.
When I was out there, it's not bad. When you're out in the middle,
The bugs aren't bad, that's
there's
for
no
sure.
bugs. Down. Just go down. We're getting wet. We gotta go down even further now.
Job, Day.
I think you want to sit, right?
Good job, Day. There you go.
Okay.
Well, it's a long way back there. Looks like you're up a creek without a paddleboard.
Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of
Try to get some of the way to me, okay, bud?
Good job. Did you have fun?
Like if I clear this whole area out here with a scrub brush
Yeah.
and then move
It wouldn't be as slippery either, right?
some of the rocks or
I think we make a little launch pad just to the left of you. I think he's heading between those rocks, Philly. You might want to...
this way, bud.
Careful with your paddle.
Okay.
Good job, buddy.
Let's go, bud. Keep going.
That's some good
That's the
strategy.
channel. You're on it, man. Keep rocking that. Keep working it.
I'm in between two rocks. You're doing good, bud. You're doing it, rocking it. Oh yeah, you're doing good. I'm in between two rocks.
Keep trying.
Maybe I can get it.
There you...
Rock dirty.
You're okay.
Rock is coming. Maybe I can get it. Yeah.
Oh, he's doing it.
Dad,
Go back, Daddy. He didn't need you. Aw. Good job, Dayton. Chasey's going to follow your path. You showed him the way. Nice work, boys. You're doing great, buddy.
It's pretty good where you are.
Give yourself a pat on the back. That was some awesome paddleboarding.
And you made it this way. This way.
You did so good.
Oh. Heck yeah, Dave, you made it in.
Good job. Nice work, Chasey. Hey, look, your brother's behind you. You showed him the path.
Wait, will I get? No.
No, you won't go past that. You're just gonna lay your stomach down and then your feet into the water, okay?
Like this?
Yeah, but I would lay your stomach down. There you go, lay down. Now you can scoot off. Right onto that rock.
My feet hurt. My legs hurt.
From paddling? I'll go that way, bud. And then I'm gonna pass you your paddle, okay?
Good job, buddy. He's ready for his paddle, I think, Daddy.
Okay, bud.
Good job. You're doing great, buddy. Good confidence, bud. And that's okay. Since we moved to Nova Scotia, we have had an abundance of wild birds come and visit us, and it's really fun for us to see all the different species. And one of the things that we've been dying to do is build some bird feeders that we can actually feed some of the birds and keep them around. And since we have almost 4 acres here, there's lots of places to put different types of feeders. So we thought today that we would try this really neat one that we found, and since it's fall and apples always make us start getting into the fall spirit, that we would make these sort of fall inspired bird feeders using apples. So we found a whole bunch of colored apples. The boys picked out a whole rainbow full. And what we're gonna do is we're going to make sort of a mixed bird seed and put them inside the apples and then hang them on the trees. So we have some water already pre-boiling here, and we're going to add in 4 packets of gelatin. We're not entirely sure how much mix we're gonna need, so we're gonna start with a whole cup of water and 4 packs. It says you need a 1/4 cup of water for 1 packet, so we're basically making a whole cup. This should give us, I think, about 4 cups of mix to put in our apples. So I'm gonna do the hot part. Oh, if I can rip the package far enough down. So we're gonna just stir this and let it dissolve for 1 to 2 minutes in the boiling water. And while it's dissolving, we're going to slice our apples in half. If you wanna come stir this, you can. So Chase is going to keep stirring that, mixing around, and Dayton and I are gonna cut the apples in half. So this is the gelatin that we used. It's just, you can find it at any grocery store. I'm sure there's multiple different brands. First, I'm gonna cut them all in half, and then I'm going to cut out sort of a round pocket in all of them, not making it all the way through the apple, but just kind of taking out a big chunk in the middle here. That's where we're gonna put our seed mix that we're making. We're gonna make a mess doing this, I think, Dayton.
Yeah.
It's okay. Good job. Perfect. There we go. Nice big pocket in that one. I'll line them up for you. Good job.
Yeah, some popped out.
That one did pop out. All right, put that one on our tray.
Just bend the spoon.
Oh, that one's gonna have so much bird filler in it. Good job. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Oh wow. He is a professional apple digger outer. All right, so we are ready with our apples. And the next step, now that our gelatin is all dissolved, is I'm going to turn this down. And we're going to put in the bird seed. We have 2 different kinds. We have a colorful bird food, and then we got some of the black bird seed, sunflower seeds to be able to put in. So I think we're gonna you wanna do 1 cup of that, and then Day can do 1 cup of the other ones. You wanna keep stirring Day while he puts it in?
Yeah.
Oh, that has so many different types of bird seed in it. Good job. Mix it really well. And then you wanna put that in, Dave? I'll stir for you. If I was the bird, this would be my dinner. It actually looks pretty good. So you can see and feel that the gelatin's thickening up a little bit, and we're ready to be able to scoop these into the apples. And then once they're in the apples, we're going to put the apple tray into the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. And that's going to harden up the gelatin, and it's going to keep that feed that we're mixing in the apples. And then we can go on to the next step of making the part that's going to hang the apples. Our apples are all out of the refrigerator, so I waited about an hour and a half before I got impatient and took them out once I could feel that the gelatin had clearly hardened. So you can see that our apples are totally hardened. All of our beautiful seed that we made for them is in the apple. And so what we're gonna do now is we wanna be able to hang these up. We could just put them on a tray outside, but I thought they look so nice in the tree. So we have 2 different kinds of string. We just have a white jute and a natural jute. You can pick whatever one you want. We have some thicker gauge nails, and what we're going to do is we're going to either push really hard, we weren't sure if we would need the hammer or not, and put them into the top. Oh, we definitely don't need the hammer, Chase, you're right. Push them into the apple pretty far so that they hold really nice, which is why I thought the thicker nail would be best. And we're going to make a loop knot and a little hook string on it to be able to hang them on the tree. So what string do you want to try, Day? I figured you want the white. I had it ready for you. And then do you want to just cut however long you want, because remember we have to make it into sort of like a circle. So
yeah.
And you wanted that one? Yeah. Chase thought that the regular jute would look more camouflage in the tree. Perfect. And so I'll show you what we're gonna do, and then you can do your own. So all I'm gonna do is take the center here and put it around the end. Just doing like a loop, like if you were gonna tie your shoe, and tie it a double knot around the front part of the nail here. Oops. Nice and tight. And then I'm going to do just a little loop knot on the top here. And now we have a really cute hanger to be able to put our apples on the tree. See that?
Yeah.
So cute. So 1 down, 13 to go.
Oh,
You want to try doing your own? We had a lot of fun making these natural bird feeders, and we love being able to do eco projects around our property. And so now we get the treat of going and putting these really nice yummy treats for the birds all around our acreage. And the good news is we really used a lot less of the supplies making this than we thought. So we have 2 huge bags of bird seed left, another whole box of the gelatin, and then of course we always have water and stuff around. So these were so easy to make, really inexpensive, and the birds are gonna love them. So we're gonna go put them all around.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like I'm baking for the birds or something.
Yeah, because
Like
I think they are going to
holiday.
have to perch up on a branch to
Here.
kind of get
I'm
it.
gonna set these down so I can help you pull the branch down a bit, okay, Dave? Oh, you want it?
There's a bunch, so put them on all the trees there. There's even these trees here, Chase. This group of trees here. Tuck them back in the cedars there.
Oh, Dave got his hanging really cute. Oh, I love
Aw.
that.
Maybe I could try on a different tree.
Oh, sure.
Oh, I think that was just hanging down too far. Maybe the hummingbirds will be able to get it. Oh, how about this one? Oh, there's already one on this tree.
That's probably good.
Right there. They can sit on this and perfectly get it there.
That's perfect.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Is that how tall you can go?
There.
You're almost
There
as
we go.
tall as me. I can't help you too much taller. Let's try over here. Like how we have all the different flavored apples. They look so pretty on the trees.
That's
Those are the
good.
colors. Looks great.
How much of these are the birds going to get versus the squirrels?
I'm not sure. Either way.
Birds are probably gonna get maybe 35%.
35%.
Yeah, It's questionable that we can call these bird feeders and not squirrel feeders.
We have a lot of squirrels here. They look really yummy.
Yeah, the backs of these trees.